In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Outlook Mailbox's full error. If you're finding that you're running out of space in your Outlook mailbox and getting notifications about it being full, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps to tackle this problem efficiently. We'll begin by visiting the Microsoft Outlook page and signing in. After entering your login details on the sign-in page, you'll click Next to access your Outlook dashboard. Once you're in, the first task is to delete unnecessary emails and attachments. Go through your inbox, sent items, and any other folders, carefully deleting emails you know you no longer need. It's particularly important to pay attention to emails with large attachments. If you don't need them anymore, delete them, or if they're still important, consider saving them elsewhere, such as on an external hard drive or cloud storage solutions. Next, we need to empty the deleted items folder. Sometimes, even when you delete emails, they may still be hogging space if they sit in the deleted items folder. To clear it out, simply right-click on the deleted items folder and select Empty Folder. This will permanently remove all the items there, freeing up more space. Moving on, we'll look into archiving old emails. Outlook has some built-in tools under Mailbox Cleanup to assist with this. Navigate to File, then Info, followed by Cleanup Tools, and select Mailbox Cleanup. Here, you can choose options like Find Items Older Than or Find Items Larger Than, which will help you identify emails to archive or delete. Alternatively, for manual archiving, consider creating a separate Outlook data file, known as about.pst file, where you can manually move older emails to organize them efficiently. Outlook's mailbox cleanup tools are a great resource. They allow you to view your total mailbox size and the size of individual folders. Using the Find Items Older Than or Larger Than options, you can effectively manage larger emails based on their age or size. As we discussed, don't forget to use the Empty Deleted Items option for a quick cleanup of that folder. I've got a few additional tips to share. Reduce incoming emails by unsubscribing from newsletters you no longer read. This can significantly decrease the volume of emails. Creating email rules is also a clever technique for staying organized. By setting automatic rules, you can ensure certain types of incoming emails are directed to specific folders, keeping your inbox neat and tidy. And if you have a Microsoft 365 subscription, consider using OneDrive for storing files and attachments. This approach can free up necessary space in your Outlook mailbox. Lastly, if the issue persists and you suspect a corrupted profile, try repairing your Outlook profile to troubleshoot potential problems. By following these comprehensive steps, you'll effectively manage your Outlook mailbox size and resolve the mailbox full error, ensuring a smoother email experience moving forward.